If you're trying to get funding for your business, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking down exactly who qualifies for an SBA loan, what lenders are looking for, and the step-by-step process to apply. No hype, just the facts. What is an SBA loan? First, understand this. The SBA, Small Business Administration, does not directly lend you money in most cases. A bank lends you the money. The SBA guarantees a portion of that loan. That guarantee reduces the lender's risk, which makes them more willing to approve small businesses. Basic qualification requirements. Here's what most lenders look for. For-profit business. You must operate a legitimate for-profit business in the U.S. Good personal credit. Most lenders want a credit score around 650 plus for strong approval odds. Some programs may go lower, but higher is better. Ability to repay. They want to see revenue or a solid plan showing how you'll make revenue. Owner investment. You must show that you've invested your own time or money into the business. No major federal debt issues, no delinquent federal taxes or defaulted government loans. Documents you'll need be prepared to provide. Personal tax returns, 2 years. Business tax returns, if operating, profit and loss statements, bank statements, business plan, especially for startups, personal financial statement, debt schedule, if applicable. Preparation increases approval odds significantly. Step-by-step application process. Step 1. Determine the right SBA program. Most common are SBA 7A, General Business Funding, SBA Microloan, smaller loan amounts, SBA 504, Equipment or Real Estate. Step 2. Get your documents organized. Do this before applying. Step 3. Apply through an SBA-approved lender. This could be a bank, credit union, or online lender. Step 4. Underwriting and review. The lender reviews your credit, finances, and repayment ability. Step 5. Approval and funding. If approved, you'll receive loan terms and closing documents. Timeline can range from a few weeks to a couple of months. The biggest mistake people make? Applying before they're prepared. SBA loans are powerful, low-interest funding tools, but they require organization and patience. If you want funding, treat it like a business decision, not a quick cash application. If this helped, like and subscribe. Comment SBA if you want a checklist you can follow before applying.